Garth's fully loaded up for the trip. Hopefully he can keep that front wheel down. We'll be swapping him out onto a DRZ 400 once we get there, so hopefully we can lighten his load a bit.
This pride has saturated my being to the point where my eyes reject what they're seeing. My temperature has been raised just decimals a day. Now I burn the ones that I love and drive them all away, away. And I have nothing left of me but this crumbling shell that won't last if left to myself. The war has been raging behind my conscious mind, twisting my thoughts and curving my spine.
Here we are at the Lunatic Hotel in Drake. Not much else here, just the hotel. There he is. How's it feel being out on the bike again?
Yeah, it's bloody good. Bloody hot.
Very hot.
Yeah, no, it's going well. How's it feel?
Coming into Tenterfield from Casino, we really noticed the sweltering heat just dropped off as we climbed. You didn't really notice the climb so much, but as soon as we entered Tenterfield, and from there all the way down pretty much as far as Tamworth, until we dropped down the Met Range, it was very pleasant. So we went from 38 degree days down to 26 degree days once we were inland. So quite a nice ride, and we enjoyed the weather.
Bright and amazing, so hidden from sight. Save my life, please. Turn on the
So here we are, we've just taken refuge coming into Glen Ennis, and we got a bit of rain, so the farmers would like that, and I'm sure the firefighters would appreciate that too. She's dropped off now, so we'll probably make tracks again soon. God.
Oh, here we go. She should be going there.
Oh, well, here we go. I'll just show you Scott's trashed room, how he just explodes everything all over the floor. I'll tell you, as the saying goes, shit from arsehole to breakfast.
It's my charm.
And then we wake up in the morning and it's fixed the bike.
I love my messiness.
So here we go, I'll show you some of the quality tools we're using here. So the basic problem is the mufflers come off the back of the bike yesterday. So we've got ourselves a brick, a nice piece of wood there. Now we're into the more intricate parts of
Screwing it on.
getting a big old clamp.
Screw, screw, screw.
So this is the Red Line Inn. It's just outside of Glen Innes. It's a really cool little spot. It's very German, European feeling. Last time I come through here, it was closed for renovation, so never had the chance to go in or even stay. But if you are passing through this way, it's a great little spot to stay, and they have free camping out the back. Showers and toilets, can't go wrong.
Salvation has come. Whoa. Look now, your face is shining. Look now, your face is shines. Look now, your face is shining. Smile on me. Look now, your face is shining. Look now, your face is shines.
This landscape coming into Armidale was just horrific. It just blew my mind at how devastated the landscape was. There's these hot fires, they just kill the forest and they just don't come back as well as they could. Back burning in Australia, you have controlled fires come through. They're what you call cold fires, so they don't actually kill the trees. Maintain it so it doesn't get so hot when you do have out of control fire conditions. Okay, here we are at the Currumbudgula hub. It's very slow going travelling with Garth, stopping at every pub. We've met up with Greg in Tamworth. Greg's bike. There we go, Stewies. It's funny,
So we're at Currumbudgula.
Currumbudgula. We've just heading out of Tamworth, and now we've got this big dust storm blowing in. And behind that, I think we have some rain. The wind's picking up, and it's coming in really quick. We've just watched it. Looking out there, just 5 minutes ago, it was like this. Now. So how do you pronounce it?
Currumbudgula. Is that alright?
Oh, look at this car. It's wet and it's dirty. Look at it. Oh, look at the dust on it.
Alright, I'll get us a beer, eh? Something.
Sure. Whoa, as we know it. Whoa, that wind is just picking up. My God. Whoa. Jesus. Where did that come from? I'm glad we didn't ride in this.
No, good call. Nundle, Glenrock. Here's Glenrock here. Right? Moonan Flat is beer and burgers. Gloucester is beer and burgers. Dock is beer and burgers. And Nundle is beer and burgers. That's our only civilization in that thing.
Here we go, Garth swapping bikes today, getting on the DRZ.
I'm in love with it. Do you like the look of it now?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, like very adventurous.
I had to let that stand down an inch.
I am going to have to get myself one of those safari tanks because it does really change the aesthetics of the bike, doesn't it? Looks
Yeah,
looks the business.
there's no clutch or stand lock anymore.
And I know your mercies never fail me. And I know your smile never fades. So my heart, it won't stop singing your praise. Look I'm on the road, got a direction but I'm not sure what's in store. I'm on the road, full of trials and tribulations, that's for sure. But I'm going home to a place that I am sure is full of love. I'm going home where my vices and failures can come along. Life is a song, a progression to the one that lies beyond, where fears are gone, every tear's wiped away, there is no wrong. I'm going home to a place that I am sure is full of love. I'm going home where my vices and failures can come along. Still on the road, pushing forward into that one final goal. But I'm going home to a place that I am sure is full of love. I'm going home where my vices and failures can come along. I'm going home. I'm going
Little camp spot at Sheeba Dam. Coming into shot in a sec. There it is. I'm the only one that's bothered setting up a tent. These other guys just camped under the shelter. Just do yourself a favour, do not look into the toilet. Just open the lid and sit on it. Do not look down. Hey?
lungs.